In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a CSV file in Goodday. Exporting your project data to a CSV file is really useful if you want to analyze tasks in a spreadsheet, create custom reports, or simply back up information outside of Goodday. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the entire process, step by step, so you know exactly what to click and what to expect on screen. First, start by opening Goodday and selecting the project you want to export. Make sure you're in the correct workspace and that the project you pick actually contains the tasks or data you need. It can help to quickly review the project view to confirm that the filters, such as status or assignee, are set the way you want, because what you see there will often influence what ends up in your export. Once you have your project open, look toward the top right area of the screen for the three-dot icon, sometimes called the More Options or Kebab menu. This is a small button with 3 vertical dots. Click on this icon to reveal additional actions related to your project. If you don't see it right away, try hovering your mouse near the project title or main toolbar. On some screen sizes, this menu can be a bit subtle. After you click the 3 dots, a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From that list, find and select the option labeled Export to CSV. Go ahead and click it. This is the command that tells Goodday you want to generate a CSV file from the current project data. As soon as you choose Export to CSV, Goodday will guide you through a series of on-screen prompts. These prompts might include choosing what exactly you want to include in your export, such as all tasks, only tasks that match certain filters, or specific fields like due dates, assignees, and custom fields. Take a moment to read each prompt carefully. This is your chance to customize the export so the resulting CSV is clean and useful, rather than cluttered with data you don't need. After confirming your choices in the prompts, Goodday will prepare the CSV file. Depending on the size of your project, this can take a few moments. When it's